Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen all the twinkling stars? It is a truly magnificent sight, a vast blanket of distant suns scattered across the darkness. Our home, the planet Earth, is just one small world spinning in that enormous space. But what a special world it is. It is not too hot, and it is not too cold. It is just right for life to flourish. This planet is a bright, beautiful jewel, covered in swirling white clouds, deep blue oceans, and patches of green and brown land. It is the only home we have ever known, and it is filled with more wonders than you can possibly imagine. Think about the air you are breathing right now. It is a special mixture that we cannot see, but it is all around us, keeping us alive with every single breath we take. This invisible shield also protects us from the harshness of space like a warm, cozy blanket. And what about the water? Water is life. It fills our vast oceans, flows in our mighty rivers, and falls from the sky as rain to help the plants grow. No other planet we know of has liquid water like ours, which makes Earth an incredibly rare and precious place in the vast silent expanse of the universe. All around us there is an incredible dance of seasons. Spring arrives with fresh flowers and new life, followed by the warm, long days of summer. Then comes autumn, painting the leaves of the trees in brilliant shades of red, orange, and gold before they fall. Finally, winter brings a quiet hush, sometimes covering the land in a soft blanket of white snow. This constant, gentle rhythm of change makes our world dynamic and exciting. Each season brings its own unique beauty and its own special feeling, a reminder of the planet's constant living pulse. From the highest snow-capped mountains that seem to touch the sky to the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean where mysterious creatures live, our planet is a world of breathtaking contrasts. There are vast sandy deserts where the sun beats down, and there are lush green rainforests where it rains almost every day. Each one of these places, no matter how different, is a vital part of the whole. They are all connected in a delicate balance, working together to make our Earth the lively, wonderful, and extraordinary home that it is for all of us. Our world is home to the most amazing collection of animals you could ever dream of. Imagine the gigantic blue whale, the largest animal that has ever lived, swimming gracefully through the deep blue sea. It is longer than 3 buses put together. Then think of the tiny, busy hummingbird, flapping its wings so fast they become a blur, as it sips sweet nectar from a flower. From the stripy tiger hiding in the tall grass to the playful dolphin leaping through the waves, every animal has its own special way of living, finding food, and raising its young on this incredible planet. The world of plants is just as astonishing and full of surprises. There are the giant sequoia trees in California, so tall that they seem to scrape the clouds and so old that they were standing long before your grandparents were born. In the rainforest, you can find flowers that look like colorful birds and leaves so large you could use one as an umbrella. Plants give us the oxygen we need to breathe. They provide food for countless animals, and they fill our world with beautiful colors and wonderful smells. They are the quiet, steady foundation of life. Let's travel to some of the planet's most spectacular places. Picture the grand, thundering waterfalls of Iguazu, where huge amounts of water crash down with a mighty roar, creating beautiful rainbows in the mist. Or think of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, a city under the sea built by tiny creatures called corals, providing a home for thousands of colorful fish. There are icy landscapes in Antarctica where penguins huddle together for warmth, and there are bubbling volcanoes that show us the fiery power hidden deep inside the Earth. Every corner of our world holds a new and exciting discovery. Even the smallest things in nature are full of wonder if you look closely. Watch a busy ant as it carries a leaf much bigger than itself, working together with its colony. Look at the perfect, intricate pattern of a snowflake, where no two are ever exactly alike. Observe how a caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly, a truly magical change. The world is a giant storybook of marvels, and every creature, every plant, and every landscape has its own fascinating tale to tell. You just have to be willing to stop, look, and listen to the world around you. Why is it so important to learn about all these wonderful things? Because curiosity is like a key that unlocks the secrets of the world. When you ask questions like, why is the sky blue? Or how do birds fly? You are starting a fantastic adventure of discovery. Learning about our planet helps us understand how everything is connected. We learn that the rain that falls in the forest helps the river flow to the sea, and the fish in the sea provide food for bears on the land. It is all one big, beautiful, interconnected family of life. The more you learn about the world, the more you will come to appreciate its incredible beauty and complexity. Understanding how a tiny seed can grow into a giant tree, or how a flock of birds knows how to fly south for the winter, fills us with a sense of awe and wonder. This feeling is important. It reminds us that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. This knowledge helps us to feel connected to the natural world, to the animals, the plants, and the landscapes that share our home. It makes life richer and more meaningful. Being curious also helps us to solve problems and become better thinkers. When scientists get curious about how our world works, they make discoveries that can help us live better lives and protect our planet. They might discover a new medicine from a plant in the rainforest, or find a new way to get clean energy from the sun or the wind. Your curiosity today could lead to the big ideas of tomorrow. Every great scientist, explorer, and inventor started out as a curious child, just like you, asking questions and seeking answers about the world. Learning about our planet is also about learning to respect it. When you understand how long it takes for a forest to grow, or how delicate a coral reef is, you begin to see why we must be careful with them. This knowledge changes the way we see the world. A simple tree is no longer just a piece of wood. It is a living thing that gives us air and provides a home for birds. A river is not just water. It is a lifeline for an entire ecosystem. This understanding is the first and most important step towards caring for our home. Our Earth is a gift. It has given us everything we have, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. It has filled our lives with beauty, wonder, and endless opportunities for discovery. We are incredibly lucky to live on such a vibrant and life-giving planet. It is our home, and just like we take care of our own house, we must take care of our planet. It is a big responsibility, but it is one that we all share, and it is a joyful one, full of hope and purpose. We are the guardians of this precious world. Taking care of our planet can start with small, simple actions that everyone can do. You can help by planting a tree in your garden or a local park. You can make sure to turn off the lights when you leave a room to save energy. You can help your family recycle paper, plastic, and glass so they can be turned into new things instead of becoming waste. These small acts might seem like they do not do much, but when millions of us do them together, they add up to make a huge positive difference for our world. It is also important to share what you know with others. Tell your friends and family about the amazing things you have learned about animals and nature. When people understand how wonderful our planet is, they will be more likely to want to protect it. You can be a voice for the animals that cannot speak for themselves and for the forests that cannot ask for our help. Your passion and your enthusiasm can inspire others to join in and become caretakers of the earth alongside you. Your voice matters a great deal. So go outside, explore, be curious, and never stop asking questions. Look at the stars, listen to the birds sing, and feel the grass beneath your feet. Fall in love with our planet, for it is the most spectacular place in the universe. Our future and the future of all the wonderful creatures that live here depends on us. Let us make a promise to our beautiful Earth, to protect it, to care for it, and to keep it safe for all the children who will come after us. It is the greatest adventure we will ever have.